This might as well be the most beautiful and elegant watch Tag Heuer has ever made. Heuer has always been known for their vintage chronographs, which have always been spectacular. Tag, on the other hand, were known for losing the way, but some years ago they started correcting course by reissuing their most successful models. Enter the Carrera Classic. Inspired by the classic Heuer chronograph, I would dare say this is one of the most beautiful chronographs of recent years. The silver dial with the different textures and the outer rail with that baby blue color make this watch not only super interesting but a classic, in every sense of the word. The sleek case, reminiscent of the good old days, makes it easy to imagine this watch in the track, worn by a driver. The smell of gasoline and burnt rubber. Nonetheless, this watch is incredibly built. My favorite thing about it is that it just looks like a vintage watch, but it doesn't feel flimsy or delicate in any way, shape or form. It is fitted with a top hat sapphire crystal, which maintains the vintage vibe with modern materials. The movement inside this watch is a caliber 17 ETA based movement. A reliable workhorse movement. Winding feels like butter, but the start of the chronograph hand requires a little bit of force. The 39mm case makes this a perfect watch, at least for me. Lately, I have been enjoying small cased watches. They feel a little less pretentious, elegant and sober. All this added by the silver dial. The blue accent make this watch incredibly beautiful, and everyone that sees this watch up close are completely surprised by it. The 19mm lock width makes it a pain to find off-the-shelf straps, but I believe this watch deserves a good tailor-made strap. This chronograph is currently discontinued by Tag, which has been replaced by a new beautiful generation of Carrera chronographs. We can find it for around $3,000 on the gray market, which to me sounds like a fair price. An automatic chronograph with these looks makes it feel worth 100%. But what do you think?